Welcome back to Data Shark Academy. In previous lesson, we learned about Kafka brokers. You also learned that a Kafka cluster can have one or more brokers. Here in the diagram, you can see we have three brokers, broker 1, broker 2, and broker 3. Each of the broker is identified by its ID. Inside a broker, you can have one or more Kafka topics. As you can see here, broker 1 has Kafka topic 1 and topic 2. Broker 3 has only Kafka topic 2 and broker 2 has Kafka topic 1. Alright. A Kafka topic is like a queue where data is coming from one end and read from another end. This is the basic storage unit inside a Kafka. Each topic must have a unique name, and that's how it's identified. Once the data is returned to a Kafka topic, it cannot be changed, meaning that the data is immutable. An update can be sent as a new message to the topic, but previously sent message is immutable and it cannot be changed. All these messages inside a topic are stored in the order in which they are sent in the topic partition. So here you can see we have 5 data packets and each of them has an ID. And these IDs are called offset IDs. We'll talk about this later. Alright, so just to recap, a broker is a server inside Kafka cluster, and within a broker you can have one or more topics. Topics are the basic storage unit where the data packets are stored. Alright, and they are stored in the order in which they are received. But when you read, there is no guarantee of the ordering. When you are reading from multiple consumers, they will read in parallel, and so there's no guarantee of the order. Alright, so this is about Kafka topic. I'll see you in the next class.